Now, if we examine the table, Gab's monthly allowance in September can be computed using his August's monthly allowance. Now, taking the ratio between the allowance in September and August, we get September allowance divided by his August allowance, that will be 110 divided by 100, that is equal to 1.1. Similarly, with his October and September allowances, we get October allowance divided by September allowance, that will be equal to 121 divided by 110, which is also equal to 1.1. Now notice that the allowances of the present and the previous months are equal. Then we can clearly say that the month following October will have an allowance that is 1.1 times his current allowance. We can place these values as an arrangement of numbers just like a sequence. So the monthly allowance can be written as a sequence having terms 100, 110, 121, and so on and so forth. Now, the sequence 100, 110, 121, this one now is called a geometric sequence. Now, please answer activity 2.3 titled Find Your Partner on page 31 of your learning package 2. Now, what is a geometric sequence? A geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called the common ratio, denoted by R. So how do we compute for this common ratio R? The common ratio, denoted by R, is computed using this simple formula. R is equal to a sub 1, meaning the first term, all over a sub n minus 1, where n is any integer greater than 1, r not equal to 0. That is, r, the common ratio, is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1, meaning the second term over the first term, or a sub 3 over a sub 2, meaning the third term divided by the second term, or a sub 4 over a sub 3, equals so on and so forth, a sub 100 over a sub 99. In other words, the common ratio is computed by dividing the term on the right by the term on the left. Take note also that the common ratio is what distinguishes geometric sequences from other types of sequences. The general term for any geometric sequence is given by the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1, where a sub 1 is the first term of the geometric sequence, r is the common ratio, and n is the term number.